Check out this, guys. This is the DRC 114 scale 003E. Doesn't it look just like the mini Kraton? And at $109, this thing does 3S or 2S, whatever you prefer. It's a really nice looking car. Metal drive shafts, front and rear. And it has a 35 amp, 2S, 3S, ESC. Looks like a 2-in-1. And about 3300 kV motor. I'm not too sure on that. I gotta check the manual. If the car is any good, you'll have to upgrade these tires. Hear that? I am going to be running this on 2S today, and I kind of have high hopes for it. Because for $100, it could be something really good. So we're going to find out. And I haven't driven it yet. So I'm going to find a place to do it. Here, it's all covered in snow, so I'm going to try to find a better location and see how it is. The gears are really tight on this. Okay, let's see. It's definitely not acting like brushless. It is a bit slow. Might be better on 3S. It's so light, it just goes on top of everything. Yeah, this is inside a footstep. Looks like I am gonna try it here. I gotta do this loop right here. Oh, why you crashed? The temperature is about 0 right now. It's holding up pretty good. So the only thing I can find wrong with this is the speed. It's a major letdown. I think it's best to go 3S and maybe upgrade the motor. Oh. Looks like that water just killed it. Perhaps when it dries out, she'll work again. I am going to change the battery just to make sure. Here you have it. It's fine. Just a dead battery. Tell me what you think, guys. Is this a good buy or a waste of money?